Looking to get toned but don't have time for the gym? In this video, we're counting down 7 powerful home workouts that will help you burn fat, sculpt lean muscle, and feel amazing. All from the comfort of your living room. No equipment needed, just your body weight and a bit of motivation. So grab a water bottle, clear a little space, and let's get moving. These are perfect for toning your glutes, quads, and calves, while also boosting your heart rate for fat burn. Do 3 sets of 15 reps, and remember, land softly to protect your knees. An absolute classic. They target your chest, arms, shoulders, and even your core. Can't do a full push-up yet? No problem. Start on your knees and build up. A cardio core combo that torches calories while building ab strength. Aim for 30 to 45 seconds of fast-paced climbers. Core tight, back flat. Exclamation point. Want a rounder, firmer butt? This one's for you. Lie on your back, lift those hips, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Try 3 sets of 20 reps. This move tones your entire core, improves posture, and builds endurance. Start with 30 seconds and work your way up to 1 to 2 minutes. Great for toning your legs and booty, and easier on the knees than forward lunges. Alternate legs for 3 sets of 12 reps each side. Love them or hate them, they work. Burpees combine strength and cardio for a total body fat burner. Do them at your own pace. Even just 5 in a row will get your heart pumping. And there you have it. 7 powerful, no equipment workouts to get you toned, strong, and confident, fast. You can do them individually or combine them into a circuit for a killer full body session. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more home fitness tips and follow along workouts every week. Got a favorite move from this list? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, your fitness journey starts with showing up. See you in the next one.